This week's video is gonna be about the health benefits of green tea. Also, stay tuned to the end of the video to get the tips on what is the easiest way to get the benefits of green tea. Don't click away just yet. I have a bonus for you near the end of the video, so stay tuned. Tea is one of those rare beverages that pretty much universally accepted by science as a healthy one. But just remember, as with everything in life, you can have too much of a good thing. So don't overdo it with green tea. The number one thing makes green tea so good for you is that it's loaded with healthy nutrients. All of these bioactive polyphenols are awesome for your health. Polyphenol acts as enhancing of the growth of beneficial bacteria and inhibiting the growth of pathogens in your gut. You may also heard some of them as flavonoids and catechin, and those are the antioxidants in green tea. What are antioxidants in prevent free radicals damage to your body? And free radical damage to your body over time cause cancer, but let me break it down for you. I know all of you have faucets at home, whether it is in your bathroom or kitchen. Some of those faucets rust over time. The rust is direct result of free radicals damaging that we talked about. Antioxidants prevent that rust from forming. So think of antioxidants as the rust prevention within our bodies. Yes, that's pretty awesome, right? Within the media, it has been mentioned before that those who drink green tea have lower rates of cancer. And it has been theorized that it has something to do with the huge amount of antioxidants found in green tea. Yes, it is good to drink green tea, but no, it is not going to cure or prevent all types of cancer. Second point about green tea. If you have stinky breath, well, maybe you should try some green tea. The nutrition in green tea that we just mentioned on the last point, known as catechins, do a great job of inhibiting and killing certain types of bacteria. In fact, studies have done and proven that bacteria known to cause bad breath within your mouth was killed by drinking green tea. Also, when you have less of that specific bacteria, you have less plaque. So green tea also decreases the risk of developing a cavity. Isn't that great? It does a great job of stabilizing your energy as well, without all the jittery from coffee and causing you to crash. It has about 30 to 50 milligrams of caffeine, which is roughly about half of a cup of coffee. You're still stimulated, but you don't have that jittery feeling and crashing feeling after a big cup of coffee. Another nutrition factor with green tea is that it works together with caffeine to boost your brain function, which is called the L-theanine. It benefits that gives your brain relaxation without the added sedation of drowsiness, and that comes with other relaxing agents. While we've been seen in animals and lab models that it increases good cholesterol and lower the bad cholesterol. What we have found in animals lab and human trials is that green tea lowers your blood pressure. You watch my other videos, you'll know that it is important to keep your blood pressure under control. And point number 5, green tea also helps you burn fat. Because not all studies agrees on this, but there are a lot of promising increased studies say that green tea helps increase the metabolism and fat oxidation, essentially the fat burning. Some of the lab models have shown a decrease in new blood vessel formation within the fat storage, meaning that it literally takes away the phytonutrients for your fat and makes it to die. So, meaning your fat is killing itself. Point number 6. Animals and lab models both shown that catechins, the nutrients we keep mentioning above in the previous points, decrease the risk of developing Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Science isn't clear on why it occurs, but it's theorized that it has something to do with decrease in development of plaque within the brain. If that doesn't encourage you to take a sip of green tea, I don't know what will. Point number 7. Now this is the game changer. This is one of that everyone gets excited about. Green tea may increase your lifespan. There's been a ton of research done on this. Some studies even have 40,000 participants that showed those who drink 3 to 5 cups of green tea a day have an increased lifespan, have a decrease of all cause of mortality. That means dying from anything. Decrease in heart disease, decrease in stroke. But before we get too excited, we need to remember correlation versus causation. Just because those who drink green tea live longer, it doesn't mean green tea is the sole thing that's responsible for the effect. So yes, enjoy your green tea, but don't think you're gonna live forever. Here's how you can create the healthiest cup of tea possible. So if you're like me, I can't drink 3 to 5 cups of green tea a day. That would be too much water. I would much rather have all the benefits fitting in one pill. That's why right now, Tea Green 97 is highly concentrated extract of antioxidant found naturally in green tea. In fact, that's what the 97 name came from. Tea Green 97 is the standardization of 97% of polyphenol, a specific class of antioxidant found in green tea, mentioned earlier. But that's not also standardized to a specific type of polyphenol called catechin. The leaves of the tea plant produce more catechins than any other plant, and each capsule of Green Tea 97 provides about 160 milligrams of these catechins. That's equivalent about 7 cups of green tea. And it's also 99.5% caffeine free. So it utilizes only the highest quality of green tea. The best quality tea is actually made from only the youngest leaf of the plant and requires a high degree of selective during the harvest so that to ensure quality we promise, Green Tea 97 is made from only the finest hand-picked young leaves. Because these will yield the highest quality extract in the end, the reason where we spend so much time and effort to ensure your product is standardized to a specific antioxidant and use only the highest quality of ingredients is because these antioxidants help promote the long-term cellular health. They also help defend against free radicals at the cellular level, which helps protect all our cell structure like the DNA and the cell membrane from getting damaged as a result. Tea Green 97 product supports overall health and wellness. So Tea Green 97 is a great product for any adults who wants additional antioxidant support, but also great for people who have hectic and busy, stressful lifestyle. Advise you to help yourself get a bottle of Tea Green 97. Having all the benefits of green tea without the caffeine, but also the benefit of all the antioxidants, polyphenol, and catechin. Right here, I'll leave a discount QR code or the link in the description to give you guys a discount to this amazing product. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact me and leave a comment below. I would love to connect with you and teach you more how to be more healthy. And if you haven't, please subscribe so you don't miss any future videos that I'll post on a weekly basis. If you find any value from this video, please give you a thumbs up and share it with the people that you might feel they find value from. Until next time, remember, you're beautiful. See ya.